Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about not gonna talk about anything. I'm just gonna give a brief guide on how do you use MetaMask, and after that use EtherDelta to perform trades for buying tokens, ERC20 tokens using Ethereum, because EtherDelta is an exchange for people to buy almost all of the ERC20 tokens. You can see there's a list over here that is on the Ethereum network right now. You can buy the tokens here, you can choose it, and after that first you must head over to Google and just type MetaMask wallet, and after that they are going to pop up the first page. It is going to be metamask.io. This is the official page, and after that for the plugin you must come to the website, the main website, and click on which browser that you are using. So I would say this is the safest option because there are scams around. I would not say scams, there will be hackers around that try to fish your MetaMask ID, the seeds, or like let's say you want to import an address, people can steal the file, and after that know the password they're doing. So just head over here. I'm using Chrome, so I just click on this and install it right here. So upon installation, you just click on this tiny fox button here, and it's gonna prompt you to accept the terms and condition and everything, and after that ask you to input a password. So from there you input your password already, then after that you must copy down the seed, the 12 phase seed. It is a wallet for you to recover, like maybe you are going to change a computer or you accidentally uninstalled your Google Chrome. You can just simply enter the 12 phase code and your wallet will be fine down here. Just reinstall the extension and from there enter the 12 phase, and you will see everything is inside nicely. So for it you just click on, cause this is this small button here, this is the default wallet they will give you. They are going to give you one Ethereum address which you can use, is down here. And after that, let's say you have a MyEtherWallet, the Mu wallet. What you're going to do is just click on this, and after that click on import account. You can either use a private key and just attach a private key into it and click on import. This is not a safe option. The safest option right now is using the JSON file which the Mu wallet provide you with. Just click on this, choose wallet, and after that click on this. Then they will ask you to enter the password. I already imported mine, so you can follow the step through here using it. And after that, once everything is done, you just alright, slow. Alright, once imported, you can see the Mu wallet is here imported. I have already listed and it's gonna be loose because this is an imported wallet. So if you want to create another wallet, another address, just simply click on this, create wallet, and after that you can have this is a brand new Ethereum address for you using the MetaMask. So let's head over to EtherDelta. Alright, I'm gonna teach you how do you like do trades on EtherDelta. So alright, let's say you want to buy Ethereum tokens, I mean rock tokens. You need to first deposit. Let's say you want to buy like 100 worth of, let's say one Ethereum worth of rock. Just click on deposit. Alright, because I do not have any money inside my EtherWallet, that's why they will tell me I do not have enough. So this is the place for you to choose your wallet that you want to play to do trades with. So you will just click on MetaMask because this is, you are using the MetaMask wallet to perform your daily trade or whatsoever. So let's say you click on this, and after that you can't seem to find your address. The option is just click on this. Maybe let's say you want to use on an imported address, click on this, and after that hit a refresh. So wait for it to load and verify that you are a human, not a robot. And it's kind of slow. Alright, they will ask you to select the account. So just click on this, and after that it is 02B 0x2b. Just verify the first few number. Alright, as you can see, this is 0x2b. Alright, you are good to go. So from here you deposit into EtherDelta. This is like somehow an escrow service. You need to import your Ethereum, or let's say you have one, you just click on one, and after that, but first everything that you need to do, you can set the gas price here. This is a gas price which is going to determine how much the transaction fee is going to cost. So you can head over to Ether gas station. From there, the basic, the normal normal price they will give you is 4. If not, you can set it yourself if you know how to play around with Ethereum, because when I first start out, I do not know what I'm doing, and after that I do not understand anything. So I'm providing a free guide here, giving you free content so that you would follow through, and after that perform a sweet and nice trade without any mistake made. Like the first time I made a lot of mistake. So the gas price, as you can see, head over here, they're going to tell you the gas price and how long the transaction is going to take, and from there you can determine the price. So maybe let's say 4 is above average, so just click on 4 and set the price, and after that you just play around with this scroller. You can see this is 2, this is 3, and 4. Alright, 4. So once you hit on deposit, the MetaMask wallet will pop up a window asking you if you want to perform this transaction, and from there you will see a tiny little column called gas. How much gas do you want to use? So from there you can just the normal and the most average gas use is this amount. Alright, the default, let me hit a refresh, and after that they will show you the default. This is the lowest amount of gas you can use, is this 21,000. 21,000 gas is the most the default, and you can't go lower than that. If not, the transaction can't go through. So from there you will see the transaction fee is gonna cost you 0.05. So this is the fiat transaction fee, and in Ethereum the price is gonna be here. So if you want your transaction to speed up or get confirmed, because the gas is how long will the transaction load for. Let's say if you want to pay for a price of 1, and of course definitely the gas use must be more in order for the transaction to go longer. So you will just put like maybe 3,500. For me, I will just put it like this, and after that go by 4 GWay. You can just hit 3,500 and just use the gas price of 4, and after that you just hit on the confirm button that the MetaMask prompt up. You just hit on confirm, it will get deposit into your EtherDelta. So once it's deposit, you will see this thing here called transfer. So from here you can see the amount here, like let's say you transfer 1, you just click on 1, and after that the address to transfer to. If you want to like somehow this is transfer to your personal wallet. Alright, because let's say you deposit from this address, MetaMask deposit into this escrow service, it is going to be into EtherDelta, and from there you can just this balance. Alright, this is the personal Ether, so deposit it into your EtherDelta. Once it's deposit, and after that let's say you have like leftover of Ethereum, let's say 0.3, 0.3. So from there you can just hit your address, which is this. You can just click on this, and after that just click on EtherScan address. Once the thing pop up, it's going to show you the address here. Just copy the address, and after that click on this and just click on transfer, and it will just send the money into your MetaMask. So let's say you want to withdraw the funds, it's the same. Just click on this, the amount you want to withdraw it into your MetaMask. This I would suggest you using a deposit and the withdraw button, which is fairly simple to use. So let's say you deposit 1 Ethereum, alright, deposit, and it is into the EtherDelta. And after that, once you will see EtherDelta here, and the wallet. This is the this amount here is going to show you how much Ethereum do you have on your wallet. As you can see the column here, EtherDelta, wallet, and token. The wallet meaning it is going to show you like you have 0 rocks, 0 Ethereum, and after that, once you have transferred 1 Ethereum into EtherDelta, it is going to show you 1 here, and after that from here 1, this is 1, and for withdrawal just click on like let's say 1, you just click on withdraw, and after that it will be sent back to your wallet, and after that from there you can view your money around. So let's say you want to buy tokens using Ethereum. Let's say you want to buy 100 tokens. So for this is the how much rock do you want to buy. Let's say token ERC20 token you want to buy, and how much does one of the ERC20 tokens worth, and after that you can enter it yourself, like 0.02 for example. So it's gonna prompt you the total value of this token that means one token equals 0.02, and after that 100 tokens equals to 2 Ethereum. And from there, this is like a summary, like how much you want to buy and how much are you willing to pay for per token. And after that, this is the sum that you're gonna get. And after that, the expiry. Alright, the first time I'm doing this, I do not know what the heck is the expiry date. I mean, like expiry expires. So as you can see, when you hover over, it's gonna show you the number of Ethereum block until the order automatically expires. So it's gonna tell you 14 seconds per block. So I've already done the calculation for today. So 14 seconds equals to 1 block, so roughly 1 minute is 4.2 blocks, and 1 hour is going to be 252 rocks. So let's say you want to put an order for like, let's say 1 hour. Alright, so I'm just gonna enter 252 blocks. So just head over here, 252 blocks, and after that just simply click on buy. And after that, it's gonna prompt you, not gonna prompt you anything. You're just gonna send an order. And after that, you can see your my transaction, this tab here. You can just click on orders. You will see your order popping up here, and after that, it's going to show you expiring in. So you can see the countdown for every 14 seconds is 1 block, so it will slowly count down. Once it reaches 0, nobody is willing to sell you at a price. Just set another order, and after that, from there you can continue buying and selling rocks. And after that, once your order is being filled, it's gonna appear at a trade column, so you can see the transaction and the type, how much you pay, and a transaction ID and whatsoever. Everything is gonna appear here. So you can read on this. This is the important tab, and after that, the funds doesn't really matter right here. Alright, and after the next thing that you want to do is, let's say you have a huge amount of rocks that you want to sell for Ethereum. Let's say you have like 10,000 rocks that you want to sell, and after that you are finding for average price. So like another quicker option is you can just click here to buy, and after that, here is click here to sell. So once you click on the green, it was just gonna pop like this. It's gonna show you this thing, and after that, from there you can determine like one rock. Actually using one is not really like accurate. Just use 10. So like let's say you want to buy 10, the amount you want to sell 10 rock, and after that you can check the price of 1 rock equals to how much in Ethereum form. And after that, it's gonna tell you like how much is the transaction fee for rocks. So they are not gonna if you're selling your tokens, they are not gonna burn Ethereum, they are gonna burn the rocks away. So the fee for the rocks is like 30. Alright, so once you like place an order, and after that, how much you want to sell, this is like a market buy. So you can just click on 0.01 as you seen there, and after that, once you sell this order, this is the amount of rock that you want to sell. This is the amount of rocks that you are willing to sell it for per rock. And after that, this is how much you're gonna get in the total. So the expiry is still the same. Use the chart here, the calculation. Maybe you want to use set it for 1 day. Just set, copy, and after that paste it here, and after that click on sell, and after that it is going to appear on the order again. You can see your everything down here. So this is a quick guide for you to like buy and trade and sell using the order tab here. If not, you can just click on this here, like say you want to buy some tokens. And of course, the first one is the most how do I put it in words, the first order is always gonna be the cheapest. So like let's say the amount of rock to buy, this person is selling 0.7 rock, so you can't really like judge how much rock you can buy. Alright, so let's say 10 rocks equals this amount, so you are gonna just click on this, and after that click on buy, and it is going to this. You cannot trade this because you do not have enough fund, because I do not have any fund right here. So if you're gonna just do this order, you must deposit here. Always remember to click on this, and how much Ethereum you want to deposit to buy. If not, sell. Click on here. Let's say that's 1,000. You click on here, deposit. Everything is gonna prompt you out, and after that, I already set it in front. So if you do not have a like a MetaMask, you can create it. And after that, if you want to use a MyEtherWallet, and after that you do not know how to use MyEtherWallet, something is gonna pop up here, and it is going to teach you like how do you buy. It's not gonna pop up anywhere. I mean like the thing on top, I'm not gonna put it, but at the end of the video you will see 2 pop up down there. You can click on the left hand side, to view my tutorial on like how to create a MyEtherWallet. And after that, from there, this is all that I'm gonna teach you. Like nothing more to teach. Alright, from here you can see wallet. This is the balance that it's gonna show you. This column here is gonna be the balance that you have for the ERC20. Let's say 100, then this will appear as 100. Let's say like you have 2 Ethereum, this is gonna appear as 2 Ethereum. So once you click on 2 and deposit, this amount of Ethereum is gonna get transferred into the EtherDelta, the escrow service, the smart contract. So, and after that, you will see like some tabs down here, the smart contract. Click on it, and after that, always use the current smart contract. The old one, never use the old one. So you just click on the new one. So you just once it's selected like this, just click on it. And after that, for the tokens, let's say you want to buy on other token. Let's say you want to buy on like First Blood. So you click on it, and after that, they're gonna prompt you this page, the smart contract. And after that, do not send any money into here, please. The smart contract address, and after that, the description of this token and the website. Once you click on the website, and this is the website that you want to buy the tokens from, like for, and you can just simply click on it. And let's say alright, for rock, click on here, and after that you can see, alright, they are gonna explain to you what is this, and this is the contract address, be part of, and this is the input that the token contract shows. And after that, click on this, and after that, if you see this website is yours, is the token that you want to buy. And after that, you are good to go. Do the process in front that I have taught you, and it's very simple. So once everything is done, and once you buy your token and everything ready, so just click on withdraw. And after that, from here you can just withdraw the amount here. So if you want to withdraw, every withdrawal will be done using this tab. So just bear in mind, deposit equals to wallet tab. Whatever you have in the wallet tab, you can deposit into the EtherDelta tab. So whatever you want to withdraw is gonna be like on EtherDelta, and after that, the amount here is gonna be withdrawn back to your wallet. Let's say you want to transfer. Alright, from here, this is the EtherDelta tab that you have. Like, let's say you have bought some rocks, and after that you don't want to withdraw back to your this wallet. Instead, you want to make a payment for it, for like let's say you want to make a payment using Ethereum. You can just, like, let's say you have 1 Ethereum on EtherDelta, you just click on 1, and the payment address where you want to send it to, just paste it here, and after that transfer, it is going to automatically send to this address that you input. And from there, this is a way for you to make payments, not say make payments, transfer it into another wallet instead of this current wallet that you are buying and selling for. And after that, same for the rock, same for the ERC20. And after that, that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification to know more updates. And I'm gonna do more tutorials in the future. Like yeah, just leave any comment down below, like what do you want to know next. And after that, whatever you want me to review, I will do my best to give you my non-biased review. And like some guides that you do not know and you can't really find on the internet or YouTube, feel free to let me know. If I have the knowledge to provide, even I have the knowledge that I know, I will provide it to you for free. So just support me in a way using the links down below. And after that, of course, subscribe to my channel. It's really a boost, like for me to know that you're subscribed, and after that you like this content, and leave a thumbs up. Peace. Thank you very much for watching.